Email writing from beginner to pro. Do you ever feel stuck staring at a blank email, unsure how to craft a clear and concise message? You're not alone. Email remains one of the most important communication tools in our digital world, but many people struggle to write effective emails. This course is designed to transform you from an email apprentice to an email master. Here's what you'll gain from this course. Boost your confidence. Learn the essential elements of strong email writing and conquer the fear of the blank inbox. Save time and effort. Craft clear, concise emails that get your message across the first time. Make a positive impression. Polish your communication skills and build stronger relationships through professional emails. Become more productive. Stop wrestling with emails and get back to what matters most. Why is this course essential for everyone? Email is a fundamental skill used in almost every side of life, from school and work to social connections and beyond. This course equips you to communicate effectively and navigate the digital world with confidence. Ready to take your email writing skills to the next level? Welcome to Email Writing from Beginner to Pro. Emails are one of the most important communication tools we have today. In this course, we'll explore how to write emails effectively, whether you're a beginner and just starting or looking to polish your pro skills. Benefits of email. Fast and convenient. Emails can be sent and received instantly, no matter where you are in the world. Easy to use. Most email platforms are user-friendly and accessible from any device. Professional communication. Email is the primary way to communicate in many businesses and organizations. Keeps a record. Emails create a written record of communication which can be helpful for reference. Reachable. Anywhere. You can check and respond to emails at your own convenience. A brief history of email. The history of email is intertwined with the development of the Internet. Early versions of email emerged in the 1960s, allowing users on the same computer system to send messages to each other. In the 1970s, with the rise of the ARPANET, an early version of the Internet, email could be exchanged between different computer systems. Over the years, email has become a global phenomenon, revolutionizing the way we connect and share information. By the end of this course, you'll be equipped to write clear, concise, and professional emails that get the job done. Components of email for clear and effective communication. Hi, learner, and welcome to this module on the key components of effective email writing. Throughout our daily lives, emails are a fundamental tool for communication. But with so many features, it can be easy to get overwhelmed. This session will break down the essential parts of an email and explain how to use them strategically to craft clear and professional messages. 1. Essential elements: delivering your message. An email can be divided into 3 main sections: the header, the body, and the signature. Let's explore each one in detail. Header. This is the top section that sets the stage for your email. 2. This field identifies the primary recipient, S, of your email. Their email addresses will appear here. You can write one or multiple recipients by separating with a comma, or sometimes with some email providers, a semicolon. CC, carbon copy. Use the CC field to include people who should be informed about the email conversation but don't necessarily require a direct response, usually for information only. BCC, blind carbon copy. The BCC field allows you to send a copy of the email to additional recipients without revealing their addresses to anyone else in the To or CC fields. This is useful for situations where you need to keep recipient information confidential. Importance and benefits. A well-structured header ensures your email reaches the intended audience. Using CC strategically keeps relevant parties informed without cluttering inboxes. BCC helps maintain confidentiality when necessary. 2. Subject line, capturing attention. The subject line is your email's first impression. It should be clear, concise, and accurately reflect the email's content. Here are some tips for crafting effective subject lines. Keep it brief. Aim for 50 characters or less. Be specific. Mention the key topic or purpose of the email. Use action verbs. Encourage recipients to open and respond if needed. Avoid clickbait tactics. Don't mislead recipients with sensational phrases. Importance and benefits. A strong subject line increases the chances of your email being opened and read. It sets expectations for the recipient about the email's content. 3. Body, crafting your message. The body is the heart of your email where you convey your message. Here are some key points to remember. Start with a salutation. A professional greeting like "Dear Name" personalizes the email. State your purpose. Early. Clearly explain the reason for your email in the first paragraph. Structure your message. Use bullet points, short paragraphs, and white space to enhance readability. Maintain a professional tone. Use clear and concise language, avoiding slang or informal expressions. Proofread carefully. Typos and grammatical errors can undermine your professionalism. Importance and benefits. A well-crafted body ensures your message is clear, professional, and easy to understand. Structuring your message improves readability and engagement. 4. Signature, adding a professional touch. The signature block provides your contact information at the end of the email. It typically includes your name, title, company, if applicable, and contact details like phone number and website. Importance and benefits. A professional signature creates a lasting impression and allows recipients to easily reach you. 5. Attachments. Sharing additional information. Emails allow you to attach relevant documents, presentations, or images to share additional information. Importance and benefits. Attachments can provide context and enhance understanding of your message. However, be mindful of file size limitations and avoid sending excessively large attachments. Remember, by understanding these key components and using them strategically, you can craft emails that are clear, concise, and professional. Effective email communication is essential for building strong relationships and achieving success in any online or offline environment. This course will explore these components further and providing examples and best practices for each aspect of email writing. We'll also delve into more advanced topics like email etiquette, formal versus informal emails, and the future of emails.
Join a1skills.com, developing skills beyond education.